Hi, I'm Phil Gallagher from Good e-Learning, and here are the 5 key benefits of COBIT 2019 in 60 seconds or less. Number 1. Customization. COBIT 2019 has 40 management and governance objectives. Practitioners prioritize these to create frameworks individually suited to the needs and goals of the companies that use them. 2. Integration. COBIT 2019 is designed to work with other approaches and frameworks, such as DevOps and ITIL 4. This makes it easier to create harmonious IT operations that cover all requirements. 3. Performance. COBIT is about optimizing productivity and efficiency in all areas of IT. It offers demonstrably effective tools and best practices that can be utilized by any organization. 4. Direction. As well as management, COBIT also focuses on IT governance. This refers to making sure IT is fully aligned with business goals while also ensuring stakeholders understand and support IT initiatives. And 5. Evolution. COBIT 2019 is a modern framework designed by leading IT specialists. It also utilizes an open source model so it can continue to evolve with the global market. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. If you're interested in free trials and resources on IT governance and compliance, click the link below in the description. Visit the Good e-Learning website today to find out more.